We have learned a lot of lessons, especially the Japanese culture in collaboration with our culture, and our children have really enjoyed together with ourselves. Just looking forward for greater days even than this. We are so happy. The day was a great success. This culture have really, will really help our children and ourselves in a very great manner, because there are some things that we have learned from them, especially in innovation and part of the creative science, which actually will cultivate the interest of our children and make them even better to have a greater country the days to come.